Hey there, and welcome to Student Budgeting 101. As a student, you may find your finances stretched thin with the many expenses that come with being a full-time student. But don't worry, this video is here to help you manage your finances and still have fun. As a student, it's important to be conscious of your spending habits. Understanding how to budget effectively and save money can help you avoid the stress of financial struggles. Here are some tips to help you manage your finances as a student. Budgeting strategies. 1. Start by tracking your expenses. 1. This will help you see exactly where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. 2. Determine your fixed expenses such as rent, groceries, and textbooks, and allocate a certain amount for discretionary spending such as entertainment or eating out. 3. Look for ways to cut back on expenses. 3. This could mean taking advantage of student discounts or finding alternative transportation methods. Saving tips. 1. Open a savings account and set aside a certain amount each month. 1. Even if it's just a small amount, it will add up over time. 2. Consider getting a part-time job to earn extra income. 2. But make sure it doesn't interfere with your studies. 3. Look for ways to reduce your debt, such as applying for scholarships or bursaries. Fun on a budget. 1. Get creative with entertainment options. 1. Instead of going out to eat or to the movies, consider hosting a potluck dinner or a game night with friends. 2. Take advantage of free events in your community such as outdoor concerts or festivals. 3. Look for student discounts on entertainment options such as museums or amusement parks. Conclusion. Managing your finances as a student may seem daunting, but with the right strategies in place, it's possible to save money and still have fun. By tracking your expenses, creating a budget, and finding affordable ways to have fun, you'll be on your way to financial success in no time. Thanks for watching Student Budgeting 101. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on financial management. Until next time.